Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on and giving you guys my overall thoughts about the just4kira contact lenses. I have 4 different colors here with me that I'm so excited to show to you guys. I have tried the Russo gray the other day, and spoiler alert, they are actually the most comfortable contact lenses in the entire planet. So I've actually worn a Russo gray for about 10 hours or more. It has been in my eyes, and I only have to moisturize my eyes once. I have tried other contact lenses in the past, and I feel like in the first 3 hours or 2 hours, my eyes are so irritated and dry. And I am telling you that these contact lenses, they are so soft. You can barely feel them in your eye, and the best part is that they do not move around the iris. So before I even begin trying them on for you guys, I just want you to see what is the packaging going to look like when you get it. So it looks like this. It comes in a super cute pink packaging. And the other contact lenses that I have over here is the jelly brown. It looks super cute as well. Pink packaging always gets me for some reason. And mine came along with a case. And the case comes in with an applicator tip. This is what the case looks like. And then be careful when you open this, okay? Because the lid is actually from the top when you open it, so it's basically like super open, if I make any sense. So there is no twistable cap or anything like that. When you close it, it's completely shut. I was actually so hesitant in the beginning. I was like, oh man, this is probably going to spill, but it did not. So that's pretty amazing. I feel like once you close this, it's like vacuum sealed. So I'm trying to open it up right now. And of course, if I'm doing it in front of the camera, it won't open. It is so annoying. Give me a moment, you guys. I'm opening it in the wrong way. Okay. Alright, so when you open it up, this is what I'm talking about. Like the silicone round tip over here, that's the one that keeps the liquid from spilling. It's like a Tupperware, you know? And then it comes with 2 applicators. It's going to be up to you if you want to use it. So you have this baby right over here. You can see this is going to suck the contact lens, and then this is something that you can use to take out the contact lens out from the case, so your nails won't, you know, rip them off, because like what I said, these are very soft. So I'm gonna show you guys what the Russo gray looks like, and then I'm going to show you guys what the rest look like. So here we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like with my natural eye color, and then with the contact lenses. As you guys can see, the camera did adjust to itself, so you guys could really, you know, see the color. And I just really love how gradient and natural this looks like. So as I'm filming this, and this is actually by the end of the day already, but I've explained to you guys that the most important clip got deleted, but I just wanted you guys to see like the before and after, and it looks natural, and I freaking love it. So yeah, I just really love it. That's all I'm gonna say. Like the color is just so perfect. The gray contact lenses, I don't hope you guys don't mind if I just talk like this. The gray contact lenses that I've had before, the colors are very sharp. You can see like there's a huge separation from one color to another, and it's like super vibrant. This type of gray is like a little mellow, so I feel like it does create that really nice, very soft look. And when I put this on earlier, it just feels very light. I have tried contact lenses in the past, and when I look from one place to another like that, I can feel it. This one, I don't feel anything at all. So yeah. I absolutely am in love with this. It looks like a very natural brown, you know? I feel like I can get away with it. I feel like, you know, of course, if you know me personally, you already know it's fake, but because of the brown, you know, the gradient color of the brown, it just looks so soft. I want to buy, I really want to buy the whole entire Russo collection. This is absolutely gorgeous. I freaking love it.
Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Dropped out without a...
By the way, guys, I'm so sorry if I feel like I'm running out of ideas on how to pose, because it has been like a really long time since I have done these like weird poses, so I apologize for that. So anyway, I'm not so sure if this is my favorite contact lens color in the entire planet, because I just freaking love it. I love how it looks underneath my brown eyes. I can't explain, but I know I just love it. I feel like I look like a different person. Not that I don't like my original self, but I really love how it looks. I feel like it just really transforms like the whole entire, you know, vibe. So yeah, I love this. I love this so much. I'm super torn between the gray one and the brown one. Both of them are, to me, both of them really look good, especially for brown eyes. I absolutely love it. It does look like I'm not trying too hard, if that makes sense. So let's move on to, okay, so I have a green one and another brown one, which is the jelly brown. So let me try the jelly brown and then save the Norco green for last. So yeah. All right, so I am looking at the jelly brown right now in the pan. It kind of looks like it has this green kind of like aqua rim on it. I'm not so sure how is this gonna look like in my eye, but oh well, let's go ahead and try it. Girl, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I don't see any difference at all. I just see the green rim, and it kind of makes my eye just a tad bit wider, but this is very, very, very natural.
Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you.
And lastly, we have the Norco Green, and I absolutely love how this looks on my eye as well. I just can't pick which one is my favorite at this point. I just love everything that I have been trying so far. It's just, I'm just in love, okay?
Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do.
So those are all the contact lenses that I got from their website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this video helpful if you are still trying to decide which type of contact lenses you are going to get. I would say that my favorite is, I love all of them because they do give a different, you know, kind of look. But if I'm going to pick one, I can't really pick one. All of them are great. I'm not being very helpful for you guys, so I apologize. I just love every, you know, single one of them. And since it is a Black Friday, the holidays are coming up, they do have some special offers that you might want to take advantage of right now. So if I were you guys, I would definitely give them a whirl. Very affordable, and I'm telling you, they are so soft in the eyes. The Russo Gray is the one that I have tried for the whole entire day, and there's no itchiness. It doesn't get misplaced in the iris. It just stays in the middle. The other cheap contact lenses that I have tried in the past, they just like go around my eye area. I feel like I was like a space alien or something. I feel like probably that's the reason why I get like weird looks sometimes from people. Like, I didn't know that my eyes is already separating. I mean, the contact lenses is already separating in my eyes. There's separation already. It's ridiculous. My eyes didn't turn red using these contact lenses, and again, I only had to moisturize my eyes once. So I love it. They're so comfortable, and sometimes you wouldn't even feel that it's there. So I totally recommend it, and I wouldn't really put my name on anything that I don't truly believe in. So yeah, that's all I can say. I am super satisfied. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and thank you all so much for tuning in, my sassy family, and to my new subscribers. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!